In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Passkey in Yahoo Mail. If you no longer want to use a Passkey to sign into your Yahoo account, this process is quick and easy to complete. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on the screen. To begin, open Yahoo Mail and make sure you're signed into the account where the Passkey is currently enabled. Once your inbox is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu and then select Manage Your Account. This will take you to your Yahoo account settings where you can control different sign-in and security options. After the account page opens, look near the top for the available tabs and click on Security. This section is where Yahoo stores your sign-in preferences and other account protection settings. If you don't see it right away, just give the page a second to fully load, since security settings can sometimes take a moment to appear. Inside the security section, look for the area that shows your ways of signing in. In that section, click on Passkeys. Once you do that, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up will show the passkey or passkeys currently connected to your account. Click on the passkey you want to remove and then choose Remove. At this point, Yahoo may ask you to confirm the action. If it does, simply continue with the removal. This extra confirmation step is normal and helps prevent accidental changes to your sign-in settings. Once you confirm, the selected passkey will be removed from your Yahoo account. And that's it. You've successfully removed the passkey in Yahoo Mail. As a quick tip, after removing a passkey, it's a good idea to make sure you still have another secure sign-in method available, such as a password or another verification option, so you don't get locked out of your account later. Also, if you use Yahoo on multiple devices, remember that removing a passkey from your account may affect how you sign in on those devices going forward. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to remove Passkey in Yahoo Mail.